Hi guys, it's Miss Venkit, and I hope that you are staying safe and healthy at home with your families. I miss you guys so much. So this week we're going to hop into a new unit. So we studied this unit while we were in school, but this is going to serve as a review. So we're going to begin talking about shapes. And so this week I have a new story, and the title of my story is Circus Shapes. All right, so we're going to be reading this book, and there will be assignments on the SMORE page that go along with this story. So if you ever need to go back to the video so that you can refresh your memory about what we read about, the video will be on the SMORE page, and you will have access to it so that you can complete your assignments. So the title is Circus Shapes. That is the title of our story. Circus Shapes. And it says that it is by Stuart J. Murphy. And so that means that he is the author. And what does the author do? Do you remember? Why don't you take a second to pause the video and discuss with whoever's working with you, what is the author's job? Do they draw the pictures or do they write the words? The author writes the words. So Stuart J. Murphy is the author, and it was illustrated by Edward Miller. So Edward Miller drew all of the pictures for this story. All right, here we go. Circus Shapes by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Edward Miller. All right. The circus is in town, and we all get to go. Our seats are way up high. We're ready for the show. So, what do you see in these pictures? What do you see? I see some shapes already. Hmm. The ringmaster arrives in a funny little car. What color is that car? I think the car is red. That is a funny little car. A man on stilts walks in. He's a favorite circus star. Have you ever seen somebody walk on stilts? It's pretty cool. But I'd be too scared. It's way too high for me. Elephants make a circle and then march round and round. So here's our first shape, and it is a circle. So what I want you to do, I want you to find the circle on our communication board. Where is the circle? Good job, the circle is right here. And what color is that circle? That circle is purple. Awesome. We're going to keep reading. The circus band starts playing. The tent fills up with sound. Hmm. What instruments do you think they're playing? What instruments have you talked about with Mrs. McDonald in music class? White horses make a triangle, three corners and three sides. So we know that our triangle has three corners and three sides. So let's see. Here's 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 corners. So we're going to try again. Here's one side, 2 sides. Oh, I lost it. And 3 sides. So we have 3 sides and 3 corners. So I want you to try to find the triangle on this page. Where is the triangle? The triangle is right here. Very good. And that is a green triangle. So it has 1, 2, 3 corners. Is that what it said? Yep, 3 corners. And then there's 1, 2, 3 sides. How many sides? 3. Very good. All right. The clowns are pulling wagons. The dancing dogs get rides. Ever seen a dog dance? I think that is so silly. Some monkeys make a square. The 4 sides are all the same. So let's take a look at this picture right here. I want you to look at that. Do you see that big old square? I want you to count the sides. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at it on our communication board. Where is the square? Now this can be tricky because there are 2 shapes on this page that have 4 sides, but a square sides are all the same length. They are equal. So where is the square? Very good. The square is right here, and this square is the color orange. The lions start their roaring. They aren't very tame. What shapes do you see on these pages? They look like circles to me because they're round. So this looks like a circle to me. That is definitely a circle. What do you think the lion is going to do with that? Are they going to go in the circle? I don't know. The bear forms a rectangle. 2 sides short and 2 sides long. So here are rectangles. And here on this page, they made a rectangle. I want to see if you can find the rectangle on our communication page. Where is the rectangle? Remember, 2 sides are short and the other 2 are long. So we have short and we have long. Very good. This is the rectangle and this rectangle is blue. Acrobats are twirling to a special circus song. Circus shapes are everywhere. The tent is all aglow. How many circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles can you find? So if you wanted to pause the video here, you could so that your kiddos could try to find those shapes on the page. Awesome. The ringmaster blows his whistle. It's time to end the show. So we have a circle, a square, a triangle, and a rectangle. We have those four shapes. Awesome. And that is the end. So remember, the name of our story is Circus Shapes, and the author is Stuart J. Murphy. And it was illustrated by Edward Miller. So the author wrote all of the words, and the illustrator drew all of the pictures. And what was the name of our story again? Circus Shapes. Good job, guys. So after watching this video, now you will be able to complete all of your assignments that go along with this story. Bye, guys. See you next time.